बैक टू द ड्राइंग बोर्ड मीन्स स्टार्ट ओवर आफ्टर फेलियर, शुरुआत से फिर कोशिश करना, इसको कहते हैं बैक टू द ड्राइंग बोर्ड। द प्रोटोटाइप फेल्ड सो इट्स बैक टू द ड्राइंग बोर्ड। कुछ चीज़ें आप कर रहे हैं वो फेल हो गई हैं, अब आप दोबारा से शुरू करेंगे, इसी को कहते हैं बैक टू द ड्राइंग बोर्ड। बॉल इज इन योर कोर्ट मीन्स इट्स योर डिसीजन और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, अब आपकी बारी है या अब आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है या अब आपका डिसीजन है, इसी को कहते हैं बॉल इज इन योर कोर्ट। आई हैव सेंट माई प्रपोजल नाउ द बॉल इज इन योर कोर्ट। बार्किंग अप द रॉन्ग ट्री, बार्किंग अप द रॉन्ग ट्री मीन्स गलत व्यक्ति को दोष देना। इफ यू थिंक आई caused the error, you are barking up the wrong tree. Beat around the bush means avoiding the main topic. Beat around the bush, avoiding the main topic. मुद्दे से भटकना. Stop beating around the bush and tell me the plan. Better late than never means late action is better than none. देर से करना बेहतर है. He finally submitted the report. Better late than never. Bite off more than you can chew means take on more than manageable. अपनी क्षमता से ज़्यादा लेने को क्या कहते हैं? Bite off more than you can chew. Don't bite off more than you can chew with new projects. Break the silence. Break the silence का मतलब होता है make people feel comfortable. Make people feel comfortable यानी कि माहौल को सहज बनाने को कहते हैं break the silence. A small joke helped break the silence in the meeting. Bring to the table means offer something useful. Bring to the table means offer something useful यानी कि उपयोगी योगदान देना. She brings unique skills to the table. She brings unique skills to the table. Burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil means work late at night. देर रात तक काम करना. We had to burn the midnight oil to meet the deadline. By the book. By the book का मतलब होता है follow rules strictly यानी कि नियमों का स्टिकली अनुपालन करना यानी कि नियमों के अनुपालन को या नियमों के अनुसार चलने को कहते हैं by the book. The audit was done strictly by the book. Back to the square one इसका मतलब होता है return to the starting point, फिर से शुरुआत पर आना. The negotiation failed. We are back to square one. We are back to square one. Beat a dead horse means waste time on something useless. बेकार कोशिश करने को कहते हैं beat a dead horse. Arguing about it now is just beating a dead horse. Break even. Neither profit nor loss. न लाभ न हानि. All expenses. The project finally broke even. Bring home the bacon means earn money for family. परिवार के लिए पैसा कमाना. He works hard to bring home the bacon. Burn bridges means destroy relationships. संबंधों को खत्म करना. Leaving the company angrily may burn bridges. Leaving the company angrily may burn bridges. By hook or by crook means by any means necessary. किसी भी तरह. We will finish this project by hook or by crook. Back in the saddle. Resume duties after a break means फिर से काम में लगना. After recovery, he is back in the saddle. He is back in the saddle. Ballpark figure means approximate estimate. अनुमानित आंकड़ा. Give me a ballpark figure for the budget. Give me a ballpark figure for the budget. Beat someone at their own game means defeat using their methods. किसी को उसकी ही रणनीति से हराना. We beat them at their own game during negotiations. Better safe than sorry. Take precautions. सुरक्षित रहना बेहतर है. Better safe than sorry. Double check documents. Better safe than sorry. Behind closed doors means secretly or privately. निजी तौर पर. Decisions were made behind closed doors. Big picture means overall perspective. समग्र दृष्टिकोण को कहते हैं Big picture. We must consider the big picture, not just details. Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet का मतलब होता है face something unpleasant bravely. कठिनाई का सामना करना, इसको कहते हैं bite the bullet. We have to bite the bullet and announce layoffs. We have to bite the bullet and announce layoffs. Blow off steam. Blow off steam का मतलब होता है release stress, तनाव कम करना. Team outings help blow off steam. Break the bank. Break the bank means spend too much money. बहुत पैसा खर्च करना. Buying that car would break the bank. Buying that car would break the bank. Bring something to light. Bring something to light means make information known. Make information known. जानकारी सामने लाना. The investigation brought new fact to light. The investigation brought new facts to light. Back against the wall means in a difficult position. कठिन स्थिति में होना. We were back against the wall before finalizing the deal. Bite the hand that feeds you means hurt someone helping you. मदद करने वाले को नुकसान पहुंचाने को कहते हैं bite the hand that feeds you. Never bite the hand that feeds you in your career. Break new grounds means innovation or do something unprecedented. नई शुरुआत करना या नवीनता लाना, इसको कहते हैं break new grounds. Break new ground, इसको कहते हैं break new ground. This technology breaks new ground in AI. Bring something to the table means offer something valuable, योगदान देना. She brings her expertise to the table in every project. Burn the candle at both ends means overwork or exhaust yourself. अत्यधिक परिश्रम करना. He is burning the candle at both ends to finish the project. By and large means on the whole or generally. सामान्य रूप से. By and large, the project was successful. Back on track means resume progress after a problem. फिर से सही दिशा में आना. After delays, the project is back on track. Blow something out of proportion. Exaggerate. Exaggerate का मतलब होता है blow something out of proportion. Exaggerate. अत्यधिक बढ़ा चढ़ाकर बताना. The media blew the issue out of proportion. Bring to mind means remind or recall. याद दिलाना. This report brings to mind last year's success. This report brings to mind last year's success. This report brings to mind last year's success. Bad blood means hostility or resentment, यानी कि दुश्मनी, तनाव. There is bad blood between the two departments. Big deal. Big deal means something important or impressive. महत्वपूर्ण चीज. Getting the client on board is a big deal. Blow the whistle. Blow the whistle का मतलब होता है expose wrongdoing means गलत काम को उजागर करना. The employee blew the whistle on corruption. Breakdown. Breakdown का मतलब होता है fail और collapse. कामयाब न होना या टूट जाना. The negotiation broke down due to disagreements. Break even. Break even का मतलब होता है no profit, no loss. शून्य लाभ या हानि. After expenses, we finally broke even. Break the silence means make people feel comfortable. माहौल को सहज बनाना. She told a funny story to break the silence. Bring home the bacon means earn money for family or livelihood. परिवार के लिए पैसा कमाना. He works hard to bring home the bacon. Burn bridges. Destroy relationships permanently. Burn bridges. संबंध को समाप्त करने को कहते हैं burn bridges. Leaving the company angrily may burn bridges. By the skin of one's teeth. means barely succeed, मुश्किल से. By the skin of one's teeth means barely succeed, मुश्किल से. We pass the audit by the skin of our teeth. By time. By time means delay to gain more time. समय खरीदना. In the case. Back to square one. Return to the starting point. फिर से शुरुआत पर आना. The prototype failed, so we are back to square one. Blow one's own trumpet means brag about achievements. अपनी तारीफ करना. She tends to blow her own trumpet during meetings. Bite the dust means fail or be defeated. हार जाना. Many startups bite the dust within the first year. Many startups bite the dust within the first year. Big picture. Big picture means overall. Prospective means समग्र दृष्टिकोण. Focus on the big picture, not mirror errors. Focus on the big picture, not minor errors. Bring something home means make someone understand clearly. समझाना. This chart brings home the importance of efficiency.